What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's having a good day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We definitely need your help to make this channel grow to astronomical proportions. So we definitely need your help on that. So hit that subscribe button. Also, click the bell button beside it so every time I upload, you'll know about it right off the bat. So with that, let's get started. Today we're going to show off some pictures and video and things of that nature from a trip that me and my wife took for our anniversary, which is on the 29th. But we had to do it a week early, so here's some video and some pictures from that, food related, and we took a Segway tour at the ATL Cruisers Electric Car and Segway Tour. Again, at ATL Cruisers Electric Car and Segway Tour was really fun. We learned a whole lot of stuff. Mira was our guide. I'll show you a picture of her towards the end of the video and talk a little bit more about that. But with that, let's get started. Before we leave out, I want to give a big shout out to Atlanta Cruisers Electric Car and Segway Tours. That is the tour that we went on to get these great pictures to you. And Miro was our driver and who took us on the tour and showed us around and was so knowledgeable about all the stuff that was going on in and around Atlanta with the buildings and the history behind it. She was awesome. If you all get a chance, go ask for Mira. You won't regret it. Love her to death. Even in the short amount of time that me and my wife was with her, you felt right at home. So with that said, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.
Press it right after touring.
Hit that subscribe button. Press it, press it.